Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Tuesday, and I will read for Leo, Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Virgo. Welcome, Virgo. I'm using 6 card decks this time, and 2 cards relate to the Moon and Stars Tarot deck, and we start with that deck. And the first card is for Virgo. This reading is for Virgo rather, so welcome Virgo. The first card is the Moon. And the Moon is about dreaming and some deception, some intention, some misconception, and awakening. All of the stages of the Moon, they are seen here on the card, signifying the impact on our energies. The full moon may make us feel excited and filled with energy, whereas the new moon will find us in deep thoughts and contemplation. So this card depicts the need to free the mind and to think rationally, as mental stress is building within our daily lives, as well as our own anxieties and fears. So the symbol of Pisces can be seen on the moon, connecting it to dreams and idealistic beliefs. So pay attention to your own energy is the message, as things may become too overwhelming. Try to free your mind from overthinking. You may feel in a kind of a trance, and so take time out to be still, to breathe, and reevaluate your situation before making any judgments, and make time to understand who you really are and come to terms with your deeper emotions. And ask, what are the triggers? Take deep breaths and lean into your feelings. This card may also show you that someone is deceiving you or taking you down the wrong pathway at work or within a relationship. So release yourself from emotional stress, fears, and anxieties. There is a star message. Your intuition will speak to you, so take notice and trust that any changes you make as a result, they are for your higher good. See this moon magic affirmation. I am ready to embrace the magic of the moon as I let go of emotional restraints. Card number 2 is the Queen of Cups. And the Queen of Cups, she is all about intuition, idealism, and stability. And the meaning is empathy. This queen is very compassionate, very caring, and loving. She expects nothing in return when giving her love, as this is when she feels at her best, knowing how precious love is during time spent together. A female influence, maybe a friend or a family member or a partner, may be idealistic, patient, and kind to you. So this queen is asking you to look into your divine feminine powers and look at the passion and the beauty you have to offer yourself and those around you. Begin problem solving and start looking into your creative ideas and honor yourself. There is a moon message asking, what can you offer yourself and those around you in terms of love, time, stability, and support? The Psychic Tarot card is next, and that one is Passion Ignited. Fits well in with the Queen of Cups. So the first of the Spirit cards signifies that this is the time to let your soul soar. New beginnings, new ideas, revelations, and exciting adventures, they await you in your personal and or business life. Creative endeavors, enthusiasm, positive energy, and a renewed spiritual strength, they are at an all-time high. So the powerful force of spirit is flowing through you, and with it comes a new sense of purpose. Be all that you can be, reach inside and tap into that force. Use it to move forward and set up a strong foundation for your future. Other people may feel your excitement and joy and begin to benefit from the spark of life that you are emanating. They will wonder what's your secret, and your energy could even ignite their own spiritual journey. So follow your intuition, but know that this is your time to spread your wings and to fly. The Priestess of Light card that came out is the Circle of Eternal Joy, relating to timelessness and to the dance of life. The dove of spirit brings a blissful feeling of anticipation to the priestess of the dance. The pair faces outward in front of a portal that leads to the energetic realm here on the card. This mystical vortex is a place of power where intentions and vibrations reach from the long distant past into the infinite future. So the dove is a symbol of eternal spirit, a divine consciousness that moves freely through time and space. Your soul is of that same spiritual nature, and your energy spirals through time, engaged in a dance of repetition and rebirth. Each turn of the dance, each life, and every day bring opportunities for joy. And your present joy spins blissful intentions into the fabric of the future. So remember that your soul has come to experience both happiness and self-mastery. Learn what there is to learn, but never forget to let your spirit soar. So this card brings profoundly encouraging guidance. Your life is eternal, and you are always connected to the bliss of your spiritual perspective. No matter what you may be going through, Know that you can still find happiness, purpose, and understanding in the dance that is your current life. There may be a literal message as well, a suggestion to dance more, perhaps to take dance classes, and to find joy in movement and in music. There might also be a party coming up, maybe even a wedding for you or for someone you know. So remember to find your bliss in all little moments. Let yourself dance, laugh, sing, and enjoy. Say this affirmation: I live in a vortex of joyous energy. I listen to the beautiful music of my life, and I dance to my soul's sweet song. The Medicine Woman card that came out is all potentialities and says, I open the dance of synchronicities. The message is, I am the medicine woman of all potentialities. I connect you to the field of universal consciousness so you may become who you are meant to be. When you resonate with the great sacred dream, always and means are given to you so you may smoothly make your projects a reality. With all my love, I present you with the keys of the law of attraction, so you may access the secrets of the universe. So join me in the dance of synchronicities. They show the way at every moment. My secret is this: setting intentions in the service of positive change is your responsibility. You must show goodwill, and then magic can begin to manifest. There is guidance here. The time has come to become your potential is the guidance message. The medicine woman of all potentialities opens you to other unknown dimensions. Behind our seen and tangible world, there is another reality which you are now ready to explore. Do not worry about how you will attain your goals. Solutions will appear as synchronicities present themselves. Have fun and do something new, and trust in the flow, and the universe will co-create with you. So ask, what do I really want? Beams of energy converge where you set your intentions. So remember, all is possible. Connect to this archetype so it may support you and inspire your wish. And you can do this, open your ritual space. The practice of Sankalpa, which is stemming from the Hindu tradition, also called the power of attention, involves focusing on a solemn vow or goal with determination. Light a candle, symbolizing the flame of your consciousness. Then take up your drum and let a chant of gratitude rise up inside you. Set your sankalpa and ask, what do I really want? To find true love, or the dream job, or a place where I can rest and recuperate. Be very specific. It is for your greatest good and is connected to the great sacred dream. With both your hands flat on your belly and your powerful roots deployed into the womb of Mother Earth, plant your wish like a seed in the fertile earth of your uterus. Visualize the details of your wish and let divine will do the work. Ask for synchronicities to guide you on the path, and then blow out your candle and give thanks. So for 21 days, why I do not know why 21 days, but it's written here, for 21 days, water your wish with joy and lots of trust, and collect the coincidences in a notebook, and then embrace your expansion. And it has nothing to do with Virgo here, but I just remembered to mention this. I said something wrong yesterday. Was it in the Cancer reading, or was it in the, I forget now. I think it was in Taurus when the Fool came up. That's right, the Fool came up, and I said in the tarot deck the Fool relates to Aquarius as well as the Magician, but that was wrong. The Magician relates, I think, to Scorpio. So the Fool relates to Aquarius in the traditional tarot. Just wanted to set that straight. Okay, so now we continue, and the next card is the Nature's Whispers card. And that one is that you are worth it. The only way you can accept, respect, and cherish other people is by accepting, respecting, and cherishing yourself. Accept praise and credit when it is given to you. And when you learn to be accepting, you allow your true potential to blossom. You claim your worth and reflect that light to others. And when you see yourself in this light, other people cannot help but respond to your personal sense of value. And as you strive toward more self-love each day, you will find yourself infused with new energy. It is okay to walk away from relationships that minimize or hurt you. So enjoy and love who you really are. And the last card is from the Oracle of the Birds deck. It's sitting up there next to the box from the Oracle of the Birds deck. And out came the Nightingale. And the Nightingale is about the song of the soul. The meaning of the card is that the beguiling song of Nightingale pierces the silence of the night and awakens the yearnings of your soul. What unheeded desires are slumbering in you? This bird's song heralds solace and can place you under a love spell, renew love, and usher in healing. But the nightingale also sings of the transience of life and love. Gently, its soul song accompanies the transition of life. peaceful and aware by your side. The nightingale reminds you of your very own soul sound until you are able to begin singing it for yourself once more. So the nightingale's love is unconditional and boundless. Be ready to open up to your own deep love. The magic feathers are speaking to you, saying, unseen, I roam through deciduous forests, hedges, and undergrowth. My maroon plumage, representing security and heartfelt love, beautifully camouflages me, and my tail feathers, they serve as a perfect sense of touch. Therefore, I navigate skillfully through the undergrowth. I am the queen of the night and a messenger of love. My miracle feathers open you to the magic of nature and of all mysteries. My pure song is a good omen and stands for the call of loved one or for hidden love. It works like a miracle, opening the heart and revealing to you the sound of creation and the song of your soul. So meet me in poetry, in fairy tales, and in stories, and I sing you my tender love song. There are more meanings to the nightingale. The nightingale brings good news. The nightingale is bringing new momentum into your life, a strong connection to heart and soul is the vitality and the zest for life. The nightingale heralds a romantic time for you and is gentle and well-meaning, a companion for your transition. Say this affirmation: peacefully I stand here, listening to the sound of my soul and following the gentle call of my heart. That was the reading for you, Virgo. I thank you for listening. I do wish you a most joyous day today. I wish you a rest of a good week. I'm sending you my love. And so take care and goodbye.